Meet the African tribe, where men offer wives for sex with visitors. Have you ever thought about visiting a neighbor and he welcoming you in such a unique way, offering his own wife at their home in the most intimate space? It is truly remarkable. Today I invite you to get to know the amazing culture of this tribe. Welcome to Kunini, home of the Himba tribe, a unique and fascinating community that maintains millennia-old traditions in a remote region in Africa. Oh, morning. With an estimated population of about 50,000 inhabitants, they live in harmony with nature, surrounded by a stunning landscape and living in houses built from natural materials. A peculiar Himba practice involves jealousy and intimacy. Men offer their wives to visitors as a sign of hospitality and to avoid feelings of jealousy. When a Himba visits another's house, the host offers his wife as a way to show respect and trust instead of fearing a betrayal. Himba women have their own hygiene practices. Forbidden to bathe in local rivers, opting for natural methods such as herb smoking and the use of butter. The faith of the Himba is central to their lives. They worship the Muga, Kuru, believing that the dead serve as messengers between God and the living. The ancestral fire is a sacred tradition for the Rimbos. Each family has its own fire, kept alive with the help of a guardian who communicates with the world, and the ancestors every 7 or 8 days. The Himba show us a world where tradition and modernity intertwine in a unique way. Your culture reminds us of the importance of respecting and preserving cultural diversity around the world. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. In addition, share this video with your friends and family so that more people can get to know the fascinating Himba culture. We greatly appreciate you being part of our community and see you in the next episode.